Okay, so I'm trying to take out the wheelchair lift. So far, I'll show you what I did down under here and then I'll go up top. Okay, there's this main wire coming from there and hooked to here. So I just unbolted it, took this wire off, put the bolt back on. I'm not sure if that whole wire can come out or not, so I'm just leaving it for now. Hopefully when I get done, my bus will start. So there's 8 bolts that hold this thing in. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then I'm in the process of taking these 4 out. I got 3 more to take out. I figured I'd take a short break and update. So this other wire comes down and goes to the other side of the lift. I was told when you're taking it out, it's always better to put it down, especially I'm trying to do it by myself. So it wasn't working. So what I did was I manually put it down. There's a little pole you stick in here and turn it to the left. That's how you let it down. You're supposed to be able to manually put it up too. I was thinking about keeping it at first and it wasn't working, so I'm like, and then the more I thought about it, it takes up a lot of space, and I decided I probably want to make this back area my living area / bedroom. So what I'm thinking is make living area but convert into a bedroom. I got almost 21 feet by 7.5. Doing a very simple build out for now, so just to see how I like it. So I'm going to get this thing out, remove all the seats, and then go from there. But the basic idea is going to be living and bedroom area back here in the back, then a bathroom area in the middle, and then in the front, kitchen and dinette. That way I can have 3 really big spaces. The kitchen and dinette, you'll be cooking, eating. You know, I may leave one of these seats up front. So for a passenger, maybe turn it around. No, I don't know yet. I might take all this out of here. I'm going to take all this out of here. This grab bar and this pad. I wish the back seat was closer. So I want to leave one seat. Maybe I'll leave this seat. Maybe I will somehow relocate the smaller seat up to the front. That's probably what I may try to do. We can relocate that smaller seat up to the front to have a passenger seat either right behind the driver or up here. Have a small kitchen area and a dinette, bathroom area in the middle, and then living and bedroom area in the back, which will be huge. So, but let me see if I can manage to get this the rest of the way out today, and then I may start looking at the seats. So I got this, there's a heater under here too that I don't know whether I should completely disconnect and take out or leave in for when you're driving. So, not sure. Flat floors, no wheel humps. Nice. Also, I can stand all the way to the side, and I'm almost 6 feet tall, and I still got some room. So it's supposed to be 6'4", 6'5" clearance. I don't know exactly how much. Anyway, that's it for now. Well, Good news is it started right up. First bump, like it always does, with that wire disconnected. Now, I don't know. I think this other wire that was coming around goes up to here, and there's no way it can hook to anything unless it is, unless it's, that other wire is in there, because that just goes from here over to here. So I think I'm good. Should be able to just take this out. I'm hoping. I'll just leave it in there for now. Well, I just unhooked it, boom. And that's just what it is. Good. Brakes has got up the pressure. I can't wait to get this thing cleaned up. I gotta get the So I got the gauge. I finally figured out this gauge thing. You can toggle through the gauges. That's the oil pressure. That's the fuel. That's the temperature. That's the battery. Oil. I don't know what they mean. How high is it supposed to be? So anyway, we'll let it run for a little while. The oil is still at a perfectly fine level. So when I drove it 620 miles home, and I never once had to add oil, and the oil is still at the right level. So I'm going to change it, and I'm going to change the transmission fluid. Anyway, I'm going to try to get this the rest of the way out. Okay, so I got that fucker out of there. The hardest part was actually the mechanism was sticking out, so it was too wide to come out the door. So I had to pull that thing off of it and get it through the door. Got a little bit of hydraulic fluid spilled. So now I see why people want to pull the floor off and seal up all the holes, because I'm going to have holes everywhere once I take all the seats out. All these are holes straight down through now. So I could seal them from the bottom, because I was thinking really for my first iteration just to be super ghetto and just keep this floor and use whatever's not use carpet or area rugs to cover up anything ugly, and just have rubber floor with area rugs. But we'll see once I pull everything out what I got going on. So that's first step. I actually completed something, which is nice considering I completely know nothing. Now the next step is to see if, yeah, it started right up, but I got to see if it goes in the drive. So let's check that out. You can watch as we go along and see if I get success or failure. What do you think's going to happen? Take those keys, and then close her up. Got to figure out some way to lock these. This one's easy. I can just put a lock around here. This one, I'll have to figure something out. Maybe drill a hole and lock that. before I get all fancy. Or I can put a deadbolt on one of those and then just go out there and lock this one from the inside. Because right now I got no locks. So let's see if this thing, I know it's going to start up. Now, will it go into drive? That's the question. So if this light is flashing, I'm maxed out. As soon as this light over here, lift door, if that one's flashing, I think I'm SOL. And it's not flashing. So that's actually a good sign. I think it should just go right into drive and drive. If that's the case, I actually accomplished something. I'll let it warm up for a minute. So, maybe I'll take out some more shit today. I can take all that stuff out. Evacuation transporter. I don't need that. I might leave this little bag and put some shoes for fucking ghetto storage. But I definitely got to seal those holes up. There's a big ass one right there. Somebody knows how to paint or wants to help me paint this thing, let me know. I'm gonna pull this wire out too. Well, let's see. The brakes just released pressure. Let's see if the parking brake comes on. Put on the service brake. Parking brake. Emergency brake goes off. Yep, she drives, baby. That's all I wanted to do. Motherfucker. Oops. I might get flagged for that. Oh, I keep forgetting. Do the actual view. So that's a little bit of what we got going on. From now on, I'll try to use the real cinema mode. So now I just gotta, this is all I did by myself. So now I gotta get this fucking thing into the back of that little pickup so I can take it, because I don't have any tags yet. I'm waiting on my plates. I just threw an old plate on here so that police wouldn't harass me for having it parked in the parking lot. But I got blinker lights on up there. I wonder how I turn those things on and off. I don't even know. Let's check these out. Alright, peace out. Oh, so I got it in the back of my pickup. That was the hardest part. That was a bitch. I hope my back don't hurt tomorrow. I'm gonna go try to take it to the metal recycle place. See if I can get $5 for it.